Well, I've just got this first prototype together of a 6-wheel truck for the Royal Blue. It's in red, so we know it's prototype parts, okay? Brass wheels and bushings, pivot trucks, 6-wheel, all-wheel pickup. And, you know, we've had a couple of these out here, but I thought it'd be fun to test this one and see how well it might slide. And we got some stuff in the way here, but I'll go the other way, try this. I have never had a truck work so well. I mean, that's pretty remarkable. See how far it can go. Uh-oh. It was still going so fast at the other end, it ran off the track. There's no top load, you know. Oh, no, it didn't. No, it didn't run into anything. It just fell off. It made it all the way down here, and then it fell off. Oh, boy. Good thing I had this barrier up here, huh? Now, I'm not slinging it either, you know what I mean? I'm just giving it a push. I think we're going to be just fine with this arrangement. I think we're going to be just fine. I'm going to finish building this up for Leon. One thing I didn't do yet, or I did, but I didn't finish, was I've created this half height here, but I haven't printed the half heights here. So I've got to print that side and bring it down so you can see the difference in height. It's pretty cool. Okay, so we'll get that figured out, and we'll put this thing together. I'm ready to put in his sound card, and then install and put in the buck boost boards and his reverse and power distribution, and then the fan and speaker. Boom, we're done. We're out of here. So it's already 5. I had a bad day. Not a bad day, just a busy day. Other admin stuff, I'm afraid. But I do think this is going to be one of my best tenders. Unbelievable. It feels really good. All right, button this up, send it out as a sort of a shorty kind of a thing. And then, of course, his tender will fit on here. And we've chatted about it. He knows he's going to have to change this skirt back just a little bit. I'm going to leave that to him. He's the body man. I'm sort of a mechanical type, not a stylist type. So I'm going to let him fix his truck and all, but we'll be able to run it and test everything out before we send it.